Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. Today is officially date night / Sunday dinner. But I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, I prepared some wonderful comfort food, some of my favorites from my childhood of, many moons ago. Sloppy Joes and baked beans. The best thing about, especially the baked beans, is I get to have leftover cold baked beans. One of my favorite things since I was a child. Yeah, again, many moons ago. Excellent. So tonight, Robin is cooking, but I am being her sous chef and prep chef. So I'll be doing all her prep and so forth and giving her a lot of options because this is a fun meal that you can play with in the kitchen. Poor man's lasagna. She had many choices to choose from, but she chose this. Yeah. We're only doing half recipe. It's just the two of us. It's fun saying that. I love saying it. So let's get to it. We're going to be using some ground elk. It's about 12 ounces. And sour cream, cream cheese, minced garlic, a can of tomato sauce, Italian seasoning. This is my blend. A little bit of sugar, cheddar cheese, shredded, and egg noodles. And of course, I passed by the kosher salt and black pepper. I will be laying out plenty of more options, some more herbs, basil, oregano, and some other things from the library. I have plenty of other cheeses in the cold box. I have some mozzarella. I have some Parmesan, and so forth. So she's going to have plenty of options to play with because this is kind of like a blank slate. So yeah, it's going to be rainy today, a little windy, but hey, we need the rain here in Northern California. Not complaining. All right, so on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.